Hello guys, in the video of today I will show how to read and write files, text files. I will show the BufferedReader method and the stream and utility methods. If you're ready, click on the subscribe button and let's go. This video belongs to a playlist of Java for beginners. You can follow the video with the same project, which is available on a link in the video's description. There are multiple ways to read or write a file, and each one has its benefits. Okay, let's start showing the oldest way to read a file. In this case, I first open a stream on a resource file. This method already starts reading from the resource folder, and it returns me a stream of data. It's not a stream in the way of Java 8 streams, just a stream of raw data. As said, this is raw data, so I need a buffered reader to process this stream. Having the reader, I have multiple methods now to read the content, byte per byte or line per line. I've chosen by line. I assign the red line to the variable and stay in the while loop until the line is not null, and inside the loop print the line. This is also rounded by a try-catch, because there are multiple exceptions while trying to read a file. I've used the try with resources, because I must close the streams when I've finished to read the content. If I don't use the try with resources, I must close the stream in the finally. This is harder to read and to write. That's why I always use the try with resources. The pain point with this implementation to read a file is that it reads from the resource folder only. What if I want to read a file from any other location? Let's see another example. This time, instead of the resource stream, I've used a file object to describe the file I want to read. This file is then packaged inside an input stream. The rest remains as before, the buffered reader and reading line by line. That's better for my case. Nevertheless, I used to read text files, so I don't need an input stream of raw data, of bytes. I may directly use a FileReader. This time, the file path is already inside the FileReader object. This object is prepared to read text content from files. The file input stream I've used before is better to read binary files, but with the FileReader, I can easily read text files. This object will better handle the encoding problems. Okay, I've already seen 3 methods to read files. Let's go write some files now. This way, the FileOutputStream creates me a stream, which will redirect all the content to a specified file. Nevertheless, the implementation only accepts bytes. I will use another implementation which is already prepared to write string values. With the FileWriter, I write string data, not byte data. But in both implementations, I have to specify the new line character. Otherwise, all my content will be located in the same line. Below are some assignments to practice a little bit with those concepts. Write what's asked in the comments and run the unit test to validate it's correct. From more recent versions of Java, I have some utility methods to read and write text files easily. This method reads all the lines from a file, and I have the result into a list of strings. Each line will be stored in a single item of the list. What's the inconvenience now? What if my file has a size of 2 GB? It hardly fits in a list of strings. I will show what are the streams of Java 8 soonly, in another video. Nevertheless, this way, I stream line by line all the content of the file. I don't keep all the content of my file in memory. I stream one line, I handle it, I print it, and then discard it. Then take the next line, and so on. As this is a stream which is open until the end of the file, I must include it in a try with resources to ensure it's closed at the end. One last example. Write files now. With the same class files, I can write a list of lines directly into a file. No need of buffered writers or output streams, only the path and the list of the lines. That's all. Here you have some assignments if you want to practice a little bit with the files in Java. You have some unit tests to run and validate the assignments. And you have the answers in another link of the video's description. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. So click on the thumbs up and see you in another video. Bye!